Hello Ganofins and welcome back to website development tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to tell you about the subdomains. So what is a subdomain? Subdomain is extension of a domain name that you can forward to URLs or point to IP address and directories within the hosting account or different servers. Subdomains functions separately from your main domain. We can create areas of a website by using subdomain. For example, you can create a subdomain for a blog on site called blog. Now, as you can see here, this video.google.com. This is that was the subdomain of Google. We can add endless subdomains per domain name in theory. We can add multiple levels of subdomains. For example, we can also add contact.video.google.com to delve into an even more specific area of interest on the site. Each subdomain can be up to 25 characters long. Actually, that means you can add endless number of subdomains in your domain name. That's why it is a helpful thing in building a website. It will take you to your interest area on that particular website. Well, I hope you got know about the subdomains in the domain. If you have any query regarding these things, then you can ask me in the comment section below. Don't be shy, don't hesitate, just ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching the video and make sure to subscribe to my channel for getting updates with my channel.